Welcome to Nisa Draws Stuff, while voiceover Nisa tells you stories for 3 minutes. So, since there's no time to waste, let's get into this. Okay, so this first one starts when, at the very beginning of the trip, my dad parked decently far away because, there was a lot of spots filled. So far away, in fact, that we had to take all of our ski stuff and get on a bus with a couple other people to drive to the ski resort. So, we're trudging along, carrying our heavy skis. If you've ever carried skis before, they are heavy. So, my dad was walking in front of me. I was behind him by like a couple feet. So, and he gets on the bus. And, 3 feet, 2 feet, I'm a couple feet behind him. And then the bus just goes off without me. At first, everyone was like, okay, cool. And then everyone saw me. I was like, no, stop, no. And the bus driver stops. I get on, I was fine. It was fine. But, yeah. So, at the end of the day, we get out of the ski resort and get onto that same bus. And the same thing happens to someone else. Except theirs was way worse. They had 1 foot on like the bus and 1 foot off the bus, and the bus just went. So everyone was like, okay, this horrible bus driver, yada, yada, yada. And someone said, this morning the same thing happened to a little girl. So me, being an idiot, says, that's me. The guy talking about it was like, what? Why are you so happy about this? But my whole family on the bus was laughing their butts off, honestly. Alright, so since the story I was gonna put here isn't super exciting, I'm just gonna skip it, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing here. So, I'm just layering, I'm adding the darker shadows, just making sure there's no white spots, it's all nice and smooth. I've always had this problem of not having dark enough shades, dark enough shadows. So I'm just darkening it up. And yeah, if you didn't know already, this is an ornament. It kind of looks like a weird looking balloon, but I swear, it gets better. I think right now I'm worrying about some of the highlights and the little thing the ornament hangs by. And I'm sorry, you see so much of my arm, but now I'm going to be working on the shadow below, because apparently this is on the ground, not some floating entity, some magical floating entity, but yeah. I feel like this ornament looks way better on camera. I don't know if it's just me being hard on myself, but it sucks in real life. I mean, it doesn't suck. It looks good, but Alright, well, yeah. Oh, hey, we're done. Here is my reference image, and here is the thing that I drew. I know it's not perfect, but I tried my best, and I'm decently new to a colored pencil and stuff. While we're at it, I'm going to show you some of my other creations with colored pencils. So this first one here is when I was practicing hair. Do not mind the eyes. They're ugly. The second one here is when I was practicing drawing eyes, which I think turned out amazing. The next one, I was practicing drawing apples and more colored pencil stuff. It was fun. Alright, so this one is practicing drawing more fruits with colored pencils. This one's a lemon. Pretty basic. This was my first ever colored pencil drawing. That was actually good. I love how it turned out. Very beautiful pumpkin. And very last, this is the bi pumpkin. It's just a bisexual pumpkin. And I thought it looked cool. Yay, Pride Month. And to end it off, Merry Christmas, Happy Anniversary. It's been 4 years. Wow. Can't believe it, honestly. You guys, I've grown significantly in this past couple years. I just want to say thank you to everyone. Thank you for watching my videos. And I love you. Bye.